Hi there, I'm Stephen Weathers and I'm going to be doing a short video series on how to use a variety of food and grocery ordering apps like Doordash, Postmates, Instacart, and things like that. I only have access to an Android phone currently as I am trapped in the complex, but hopefully I can get a hold of a friend's iPhone or iOS device at some point, show you how those apps work on that system as well. But I can't see them being too much different, so this is probably good enough for now. So why am I doing this? We are currently living in very trying times on account of a pandemic that I think is the first thing of this level happening in my lifetime. And everyone has been essentially requested to stay in their house and not leave ever again, except for brisk walks or trips to a store. So I think this would be useful information for a variety of people, especially for those who are immunocompromised and really shouldn't be leaving the house. Right now, at least. Or for those who don't have younger, healthier family members who can go and grocery shop for them or pick up food, and I think that's kind of a big deal. So stick with me and we'll begin. Thanks. And now I'm going to show you how to order from Postmates. Postmates is very close to DoorDash, but there are some slight differences. One thing, you have to add in your payment card first. You have to do that when you first set up your account, essentially, and also your addresses. It can be a little tricky sometimes because I will forget to check which card it's coming off of, and then, oh, there's a little more on my credit card. Something like that. Your address is there. I think I only have the one address set. Oh, there we go. And you can add a new one right there with the little text box. It will show you the various categories. It's more of a side-scrolling for different restaurants kind of situation, instead of just the big scroll through. Postmates favorites, Chipotle, wings and things, so forth. This one's nice because it'll also show you cheap delivery fees as an entire category. And then what is new, and then daily deals, things that currently have a free delivery. Let's go with Chipotle. You can browse the categories from a little drop-down menu or just scroll through them. Let's make a carnitas bowl. Toppings, these are all no charge because Chipotle, some places might charge for an extra topping. Let's go with fajita veggies, corn salsa, and sour cream. Let's do white rice and pinto beans. And that's it. It was actually super quick. This was slightly faster than DoorDash. And then you'll add that to your cart, view your order, or add more things to it. It also has the little impulse aisle for chips and salsa and guacamole and such. You can choose if you want to pay extra for a fast delivery or the standard delivery, which will be half an hour to an hour, or 25 to 35 minutes for an extra $2. That's kind of nice. I've never seen that option before. I don't use Postmates much. And then you've got your subtotal, tax and fees, delivery fee and total, and if you'd like to do the free trial of the, much like with DoorDash and the Dash Pass, Postmates also has a premium subscription which will save you on delivery fees. Review your order, choose your location, and it will pop up with a mini-map showing you where your food is and an estimated time of arrival. I do believe, for the most part, these will be dropped off at the front door, I think. I know DoorDash has an official policy on it. Postmates might. But there'll be a short review at the very end asking how your service was, and that's about all there is to Postmates. Happy eating.